going down. It's going down, 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 down. It's going down, down, it's going down.
Now it looks better, but I still got cleaner marks on it. I was trying to use some of my spray detailer to help with that. There's a lot of chips in this. There's a touch-up paint in some places, so not everything is going to come out, but I think it's going to match a lot better being like that than looking like it did, because it was really hazy looking. So I guess I'll go ahead and throw this fender on that I touched up and see how it matches. I think it's going to be good. So I figured right now is a good time to stop. Ran into a problem here whenever I went to put the bumper on. It's not clipping in the center because this needs to come out. I believe either these are bent a little bit or there's something that was supposed to go on before those. But if you look at it, the headlight is kind of sunk in on both sides. So I'm going to take these bolts out. I might get some longer bolts and I'm going to space this out. I don't know, a couple eighths of an inch or something like that. This needs to come out so that the bumper can clip in down here, and then we won't have this problem. And for my next trick, I'm gonna make these blend lines go away. I have a 1500 block, wet sanding block, and I'm gonna wet that area, and we're just gonna smooth this out. And then we're gonna have to polish it afterwards, but it should turn out pretty good. Now, I'm pretty impressed with that. Just for a quick once over. Now, you can see it right there if you're looking for it. Right there in the light, you can kind of see it. But, like, you do not notice that at all. Unless you know what you're looking for, then you can see it. Right across there. You don't see it back here. Now I'm going to polish his trunk. I already did that side, that quarter panel. But I'll do this. And I got some dry spots here. I'm going to have to touch them up. I'm liking this buffer. So there you go. Pretty much done. Next video, I need to button up some things. We need to clean the interior. Go over a couple service things. I noticed the power steering fluid's a little low. This takes Honda fluid, so I gotta go get some of that. But we do need to clean it. Now, if this was like a high dollar item, I would probably wet sand and buff a lot of my paint because there is some orange peel. But I mean, for the most part, this thing looks good, and just quick flip it and get it out of here. That's all we're doing. Now, where I buffed it back here looks really, really good. The transition, I mean, you really have to look for it. It's there. And then the other spot on the other quarter, and the other spot was down here, which I got some smudges on here from the cleaner. But it was like right here somewhere, and you can't even tell. So if you like this video, smash that like button, consider subscribing. Hit that dislike button if your mom needs polished around the edges.
She's a little rough.
And we'll see you on the next episode of
Unwrecked.
you doing? What? Hey, what do you want? You're mean. Come here. Hey, come see but why? Come on.